I played around with Logic Pro and my new MIDI controller for about 40 minutes. Made a video. I think my microphone was off for part of that time. My apologies. Still learning how to use that thing. But anyway, I've got, I don't know if this is a 1-sentence day. It's probably not, a 5-page day for the writing. I've got stuff that I have to do today. Yeah, so. I mean, I guess it's a good sign that I've been playing around with Logic and the MIDI controller a lot. Yeah. Okay. So we were messing around with comments yesterday. Wow, so weird to make a video at 8 p.m. instead of 3 a.m. Okay. Yeah, these were not the greatest examples. Didn't I just add a comment about that yesterday? About having to introduce S expressions. Okay. Oh, I know something I can do. All right. Let's skip ahead. I have to admit, I'm getting a little tired of the intro to scheme stuff. Okay, so when I was playing around with just the hacking stuff on miniKanren yesterday, or I guess technically early this morning, it came up with something interesting in terms of being able to generate quines that were more structurally interesting. See if we can find that. I saved the transcript and everything. So let's see. One thing I need to do is I need to organize these transcripts and files from my playful hacking sessions. Put those online, but not right this second. Okay. Yeah, this is it. I don't know how I want to. I mean, I guess that's okay with the arrow. Oh, this is where I modified it. Yeah, I don't want to use this one, I don't think. There we go. Switch into scheme mode here. Whoa. Why does it think we're... probably, yeah, the latex confusing scheme. About the quotes. Sorry, the comments. Yep, this is it. I got confused right here. Yeah. Yes. Well, that's an interesting problem. I don't think... Well, I probably have run into this issue before. So the problem is scheme is seeing the beginning hash pipe saying, hey, everything's a comment. And then it's not seeing pipe hash because of the slash to escape it. So I guess what I can do is I can fake it. Whoops. Okay. That's okay. The reason I switched to scheme mode is I want to be able to do things, I want to be able to manipulate S expressions. Yeah, so the indentation was off. I could tell the indentation was off. And I wanted to fix it. But I didn't want to do it by hand. I wanted Emacs to fix it, so I wouldn't make a mistake. Okay. So now... Okay, prove it's a quine. And then prove it's a canonical quine. Okay. So now we can do twines and thrines. All right, I can clean it up. That's basically right. I gave a talk at the Indiana University Logic Symposium or whatever it's called. Larry Moss invited me, and I showed off some of the miniKanren stuff and the quines, and he asked, well, or he said you should be able to do twines, which are twin quines. Now, this was many years ago at this point. I'm pretty sure it's Larry who said the twines, okay? But this is the problem with memory. It's like maybe it was someone else there. I think it was Larry. Pretty sure. But anyway. And so at the time, you know how these things are in miniKanren. Who knows if it'll take a millisecond or a million years. And I didn't have any reason to think that the twines would come back, anytime, at all quickly. I figured maybe it'd take hours or days to run if you didn't run out of memory. So I wrote the query, hit return at the REPL, and I said, no one can go home until it returns, thinking that's a good joke. And the joke was on me because after 2 or 3 seconds, it came back. miniKanren pleasantly surprised me in that case. And that was before we had, faster miniKanren or any of that stuff, I believe. I'm pretty sure. I don't remember. I think it was. I don't remember the history of all these things at this point. I could probably untangle it, but I would have to look at original documentation at this point to remember where I was at the time. Okay. So twines. Okay. Oops. Okay. Thrines. Did I do thrines here? I guess I can show the little trick I used yesterday. Is that interesting? Maybe. But I have to put the quote on it. I think I won't go there. Try to keep it simple. Twines, okay. Do we have thrines? Look for R. Ah. Here we have thrines. Okay, so actually though, this isn't the right twines query. It should be this. That's the correct twines. So I don't know. I don't even know if that answer is right. That's what it should be. Okay. And then here's the absento tricks. Okay, so the absento trick should be this. And that. Okay. All right, let me just write down a thrines query. I need to run all these things, obviously. But, you know, I've done this so many times that I have pretty good confidence I'll get it right. But I still need to run it to make sure. Okay. So I think that's the thrines. Okay, so I have to say, for the record, I think it's kind of cool that I'm finally reaching the point where I can make some progress. Like, been tearing up this section pretty well, instead of spending all day on one sentence or something. So I'm getting faster. I think the video is helping a lot. And just doing it every day. And also playing around with this, these little hacks. That's why I jumped to the section, is that I was playing around with this last night. So I like that. Twines. Okay. Let's see if this typesets. Okay. I think that's it for today. Okay. That's it for the book today. That's, yeah, just over half an hour. All right. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.